In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your Steam profile to public. If you want friends, teammates, or the broader community to see your profile, game details, and achievements, this quick walkthrough will help you switch your profile visibility to public while keeping everything clear and intentional. Start by launching the Steam application on your desktop. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. Once Steam is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see your username and avatar. Click that area to open a small drop-down menu, then choose View My Profile. This takes you to your profile page, where you can see your avatar, badges, and recent activity. On your profile page, find the Edit Profile button, typically located in the upper right section. Click it to open the profile editor. On the left side, you'll see a navigation menu with several options. Select Privacy Settings to open all the visibility controls in one place. Here's where the important change happens. Under the section labeled My Profile, use the drop-down to choose Public. This makes your profile visible to everyone on Steam. As soon as you select Public, your changes are saved automatically. There's no need to hunt for a Save button. Steam applies the update right away. While you're on this page, it's a good idea to review related sections like your inventory and game details. These control whether people can see things like the games you own, your playtime, achievements, wish list, and tradable items. If you want those to be visible as well, set them to public so they match your overall profile setting. If you prefer to keep certain areas private or friends only, you can leave those as they are. The key is to align these settings with how public you want your presence to be. Take a moment to glance over the page to confirm that My Profile shows public and that any other sections you care about are set the way you want. This ensures that people who visit your profile will see exactly what you intend, no more, no less. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.